begins with the marriage of man and a woman. This relationship holds the family together. Children grow in a healthy home when they see love, respect, and commitment between husband and wife. Sometimes we forget this. Couples become only daddy, mommy, papa, mama, tatay, and nanay. They stop being husband and wife. But marriage is not only about raising children. It is about loving each other first so the family stays strong.
From the husband and wife come the children. Together, they form the nuclear family. The Filipino family also includes the extended family, grandparents, aunts, uncles, godparents, ninongs, and ninangs. These relationships teach us care, guidance, and belonging. According to the Catechism for Filipino Catholics, Filipinos are family-oriented. We draw our identity from our families. We value the relationship between parents and children, and we treasure our extended family. It is from our families that we developed our identity, values, and sense of belonging.
Family life is built on partnership. In the family, the husband is called to live his masculine identity, to protect, to provide, and to take responsibility. He is the pillar of the home, offering strength, stability, and guidance. As spiritual leader, the father mirrors the love of God the Father. When a father is spiritually alive, when he prays, praises, and leads his family to God, the children follow. The faith of the family is strengthened through this example.
In our history, Filipino women also showed strength during difficult times. Many women became protectors, leaders, and warriors. This shows that Filipino women are strong and capable, able to nurture life and protect it when needed. In the family, the wife is the heart of the home. She gives emotional strength, warmth, and color to family life. Together with her husband, she builds a home filled with love, care, and compassion. Each one has a role, but both work together for the good of the family.
So today, let us change our mindset. Family is not only about parenting. It begins with husband and wife growing in love with their children. This is supported by our extended family. When marriage is strong, the family becomes stronger. And when the family is strong, our society becomes stronger. This is the Filipino family, rooted in love that is a gift from God, strengthened by commitment and alive in every generation.
Family strength comes from both men and women, each in their own way. A strong family is built by partnership, not by one person alone. So, we are invited to reflect. Have we taken care of our marriage as much as our role as parents? Before we are parents, we are still husband and wife to each other.